Yes, this is looking good. Let's add some styling to it. We'll go here in the style, and first I'll go in the text and I'll reduce its size. Let's make it 16. And icon size, I think icon size is okay. Let's change its color to the accent color, and then horizontal alignment, and this is all okay. In the list, yeah, this is okay. We will make it just center. Now what I'll do, I'll go here and unlock it. I'll give it some padding from 20 from the left and 20 from the right, and let's go to the advance in border, and here I'll give it a light shadow. Again I'll give it a very light shadow. Here you can see, yes, this is enough, but I want to make it round, so I'll make it 50, and remove, okay, the style text, I will decrease its text size little bit more, 14, like 14, yes, and also decrease the padding up to 10 is enough on both sides. Yes, 10 is enough. Yes, now this is looking good. Now I'll add a heading below this, and this will be our services, or services, and we will make it center. So now we will add the icon box below this. Oh, again icon box we'll add here, and remove this icon. Let's duplicate. So again these are stacking vertically, but I need them in line, like in the same row. So again what we will do, we have two options, like we can add a container and we can do that, but we will use the best practice. We'll go here and we will make it row. Here you can see. So now what we will do, we will go here and let's go here and give it 100% width, and here in this section we will go here and we will wrap it. So now you can see, and what we will do, we will make it in the center. We will go to this section, and in section we can content justify. So this is center, this is center, and then we have these three options. So now what we will do, we will make it we will give it a custom width of we can say 32. Same we will apply on this, and same we will apply on this, and you can see now these three are in the same row. Okay, so when we will add another, it will go to the next line. So let's add some styling to it. We'll go here, and in this style, what we will do, we'll decrease the size of this icon. Okay, size spacing, yes, we will remove this spacing between content and heading, description and heading as well. We will make it on the right side, and let's do some settings. Default to, we will make it, again we will make it framed, no, we will make it stacked, and then we will make it rounded, because rounded is our favorite. So let's reduce the size. Let's first we will add some content to it, like in the services section we will go to the website development. Let's add content here. We will style it, then we will duplicate that to all other input icon boxes. Let's copy and paste here, and let's do it a little bit more styling, like we will add one because this is service one, then we'll give it a space, add a pipe and space, and then now we will go. Okay, I think description should be there, should be some more description. So for now we will just double its size, and now let's do it on the icon. We'll go here, we will reduce the icon size. Yes, this is enough. Yes, let's change the icon. We'll go here, web development. Okay, now code. Let's add this one. Okay, so what I'll do, okay, hover color, we need to change it. We'll go to the here, and then icon, hover, secondary color should be white. So let's, now it is not. Yes, now this is fine. So, and the primary color, I think it should be light. We can use this one, not on hover, on simple as well. Here secondary color, we will make it this color, on the hover this color. So now it is good. Let's add some more border radius. Let's see, where is border radius? Here is the border radius. We will make it 10. Yes, now this is looking better. Let's do some styling with it, with its heading and these things. We'll go to the content, and here we have the option of hiding, and from here we can do it's okay, we have some other options, like we can go here, and from here we can select, instead of 3 h3 we can make it 5. Let's see 4. I think 5 is better. We'll go for the 5, hiding 5, and text size is, I think, okay, and same thing we can do with these as well. Okay, let's remove it, remove them, duplicate. Okay, so now what happened, okay, let's do it some more styling. We'll go here in the advanced, we'll give it some padding, like okay, first we'll go to the border, and instead of border, because I don't like border, so I'll go to the shadow. Instead of border, I'll go for the shadow, and I'll make it its opacity as low as possible. Here you can see full low opacity. I'll increase its radius to 10, and yeah, so now you can see this is it. There should be some proper spacing around the edges of this box. So we will, what we will we'll go into the layout, advanced layout, and then we will add some padding, like 30. Yes, I think is okay, it's 32. Let's make it 40. No, I think 30 is better. We will go for this. So again we will delete them, and now we will duplicate it, so we could have a some closest possible view. Yes, this is looking good, this is looking great. Let's add some padding in the bottom. We will go here, we will go here in advanced, and in the main section in advanced, and we will add some padding like 80 pixels in the bottom. Save. Let's see. Yes, this is good. So now issue is that when someone read these services, these boxes should be clickable, so he can redirect to the page where we have detail about these services, or maybe for to the contact page. So there's two options. That one, we can make these options like we'll go here in the layout. No, we will go here in the content. Here we have the option like let's suppose we add it uh, rover dot local. Save it. We will go here, and here you can see now this title is clickable, button is clickable, but box is not clickable, this description is not clickable. So this is good, that it will work good. If you want to make its look and feel even better, then we need to add a button. Instead of this, we can add a button as well here, button or link as well, that will be clickable to a specific page or wherever you want. But by default, icon box does not have this option to add a button or something like this. I'll add a link specifically on a word. So we can add a little HTML and CSS to achieve that, and this will look very beautiful. Let me show you. And that is not a difficult or complex code. You can generate it from the chat GPT as well. So what we will do, we will go here, we will use an anchor tag and space class as we given below, as we given in the hero section. We will add a class to it like services service hash learn dash more. Okay, so this is a class, and then we have URL. For URL we href. Oh, it's not clicking. Why? Href equal, and then we can add a like rover dot local slash services. So now we'll go here and then learn more, and in the next line we will close this anchor tag. So, and we can add an arrow as well. Here you can see. So here you can see. Now we can give us some padding here, so margin here. So it right now this is in the sequence of above line, so we can add some more CSS in it. We'll go to the advanced. Here we will go to add CSS. We will use the selector class selector. Here you can see service dash learn more, and then we will go here, and so now it is margin top 22 pixel. Why it is not working? Let's, yes, display inline block. Yes, now it worked. Let's add some font weight. Font weight, let's make it 700. Yes, this. And here I added 6 services. Here you can see. Let's see on the front end how they are looking. So here you can see these are looking good. I think here you can see this is the hero section. Then we have benefit strips. After that are services. If you want to add some description, short description about these below this title, you can add that. So now let's add some styling to animation to this. Let's go here and we'll go in advanced, and here we have option transform. From here we will select the hover. On hover we will want to add some animation. We'll go into offset, and here we will use this. Yeah, -6 is also no. Yes, this is more prominent, -8. Let's save it. Let's go on the front end, and here you can see now on this box there is no effect. When we will go here, it will rise a little bit. So we can add one more effect on it. We'll go here in the border, and we will add a solid, and at the bottom we'll unlock it, and at the bottom we will add a border of 3. Let's make it 4, and what we will do, we will make it color, no, not this way. We go on hover, we will do it solid. Let's unlock, do it 4, here you can see, make its color, let's make its color this one. Save. Let's see on the front end. Now this is looking good, and now we will apply this style on all the feature boxes. Let's go here, advanced, transform, hover, offset, make it -8. Here you can see. Now we will go to the border, hover, make it solid, unlock, on the bottom 4, change its color to accent color. Here you can see that. So all the boxes are same, so we will copy and paste this style to others as well. Here you can see. Here you can see. Let's publish and see on the front end. Here you can see. So our services section is also completed. We have completed the hero section, and then benefit strip. After that we completed now we have completed this our services as well.